Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And happy New Year! I'm back with Usomi's Mitch. This video was recently trending, and so many people have views on it. And Babona House Usomizi loves them young and fresh, but that's not the case, unfortunately. Usomizi guys, bigger relationship no. Umuhali who came to the internet was showing how abusive Usomizi is. And as we all know, Umich is out here for fame. Let's be honest. We were good Big Brother last year, and then the next thing when I saw Jordan Usomizi, so quick. I'm also talking about Sandan. Umich wants to stay relevant. Let's be all honest, guys. And you go when Mohal posted all of those things, which also means it's abusive, also means it's this and this and this and that. And then when it was hand, you just go and date that person, knowing very well how abusive he was to Lomu. And guys, has been honest. It's either he's just there for money, for fame, just to stay relevant. I don't know. Because most of the people, usually, and back when I'm, last time but find out they are nowhere to be found. Namaki, there are no there are no ways to be found. Mantombazane yada double power demo abo what's this Kositala. So now I feel like if ever nothing works out, I'm gonna date one celebrity because it always around I'm a celebrity. Being honest, they're always around I'm a celebrity. But our guys nyala, nyala like it's a no. It's like usumizi landelelana nabantwana 20 years younger than him. Sorry. 9 years and needs no uthando inana no. Sengiyabona nje benze leya video just ukuthi besizwe inkulumo because thina asivaleki umlomo. And there Usomizi is answering every comment ku-TikTok ethi Mitch nje. Comment ethi uyathanda Usomizi, comment ethi bathi udlala noMitch, comment nje against nje i-relationship yabo uyaphendula shame. Uyaphendula. Kanti uSomizi akekho na-50. And I think uMitch is 29, 28. Because Mitch naye mncane. And why angatshoni iy'ntanga zakhe? Yo guys, just in there, this relationship stresses me out. Like it stresses me out. But let's hope. As guys say, ngifisela abantu izinto ezimbi. Let's hope i-relationship babesebenza and yabo kube mnandi. Thank you for watching.